coming up over the trees on Sunday morning. 280 pages are thrown inside the door. Some wanted in the mailbox, some wanted at the door. I buy a donut and some chocolate just to keep my hands warm. Hey, oh, hail to the Paperboy. Hey, oh, hail to the Paperboy. No one thinks about you and little do they care. No one pays attention till their paper isn't there. Have you heard about the mailman's devotion? Seems the train delivers letters to the folks through the blizzards and the heat. But I get up at 5 to pull a wagon through the snow just to make enough money for a pizza and a show. Hey, oh, hail to the